Let's make some chili oil. You can literally put on anything. Let's start with our chiles. I have 40 grams of Chile de Arbol because I had a bunch laying around. But if you want to stay a little bit more true and authentic, I would recommend getting some Szechuan from your local Asian supermarket. Now I'm just gonna take this and put it in my blender and give it a good blend. So I'm gonna set it in a bowl and put it aside. You got a food. Whoa! All right, here we have it. Now, if you don't want to blend it, you can just use a food processor, which I recommend, or just buy red chili flakes already pre-ground from your Asian supermarket, or else you're gonna get your sinuses cleared like I just did. Now, for our aromatics. I have here some ginger, some star anise. I rinsed it just so that it wouldn't burn in my oil. I have 5 cloves of garlic and 2 slices of onion. I'm just gonna go ahead and chop these and get them ready for my oil. I have here about 8 ounces of neutral oil. I'm using corn, but you can use whatever you want, just as long as it's not like olive oil or something. I'm gonna put it over medium heat. Now to my cold oil, I'm gonna add all my aromatics. And give it a little stir. I'm gonna get this oil to around 300 degrees. I'm gonna try real carefully to not let it get past that, or else all my aromatics are gonna get burned. Once my onions are nice and golden brown, I'm gonna cut the heat and strain. All right, it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the heat, and I'm gonna go ahead and strain this. Just gonna press all the oil out of my aromatics. Alrighty, I have here a pretty thick glass bowl that I'm gonna put all my ingredients and put my oil in. You gotta make sure that it's nice and heat resistant, or else you're gonna be in some big trouble. So just gonna add my chili flakes. Gonna add about half a teaspoon of some MSG. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of soy sauce. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of paprika. It's gonna give it a really nice color. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of some sesame seeds. Alrighty, I gave it a good mix. Now I'm gonna get my oil, raise it to a temperature of 350 degrees, and ladle it in. My oil's at 350 degrees. Now for the fun part. Now it's time to add our oil. I'm gonna do just one bit at a time. Drop it in there. Give it a good mix so it doesn't burn. Oh, it smells so good. Gonna add another. One more. Give it another mix. Now I'm just gonna drop in the rest of my oil. All right, we're done. This smells so good. I'm just gonna let it cool to room temperature and then put it in my little mason jar. I let my oil cool, put it into this mason jar. Now let's give it a try. And when I say you can put this on anything, I mean it. I'll put some on some chips. And here we go. Oh yeah, let's give it a try. Last one. All gone, and there you have it. An amazing chili oil. You need to give it a shot.